India is my country. All Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and all my elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. I take my division of my country and my people. My happiness lives in